Friend, look at behind me. What did you find? Which kind of crop we are growing? It is paddy. My friend, in my area, near about 99% people they have planted paddy in their field. So, why I'm sharing with you? There is one purpose behind it, and you will come to know in my video. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. I've heard from many people they want to learn English language, but they just listen and read. When it comes to talking, they don't talk, and that's why they are unable to speak this language. You know, my friend, if you want to speak English language, you have to just talk. If you talk, you can come to know where you are lagging. So, talking is uttermost important. Unless you speak or talk with someone, you won't be able to figure out your mistake. You won't be able to overcome of your fear of speaking or low confidence. These all things will mitigate once you start practicing, once you start talking with people. See what happened? Before we start practicing English or before we start doing something, we think about perfection. We think that once I should become perfect, then I'll start. This is myth, my friend. I don't know whether you can become perfect or not. In my case, I have never ever thought to become perfect in any field. As a child, I had this thought, but now I think that there is no perfection at all. We need to do things no matter how we are doing. And as a content creator, I have learned and I apply on me. See, I don't care whether I'm speaking perfectly or not. I know I learn from each and every videos of mine. I learn from them. And how I learn? Because I do that work. In your case also, if you want to learn this language, you just have to start. If you think and plan everything, no matter how perfectly you are planning, it is not going to benefit you, my friend, unless you take the step. See, as I told you, look at behind me this field. If they had only planned and not started planting the paddy, would they have completed this paddy related work? No. They decided and then they started this work. And you know what? It takes a lot of effort to plant the paddy. It takes a lot of time. But farmer, they have patience. Farmer, they believe in action. Why we are unable to believe in action? Why we are believing in perfection? Why we are believing in thinking, planning? I just told you that no matter how perfectly you are planning, you have to just take the action, and then you can become a perfect speaker, maybe in future. See, we are very much worried about other people, what they say. If someone is saying that you are not speaking well, I would be crying or beating myself up that why I am unable to speak very perfectly. How come that person say that you are not a perfect speaker? My friend, we don't know about their journey. As I always share with you, or as I always tell you, that we don't know about that particular person's journey when he or she started learning English language. What's the need of comparing with those kind of people? Let's try to compare with ourselves. If you compare with yourself, my friend, you will find that few months back or few years ago, you didn't even think to speak this language because you thought that speaking English language is very difficult. But now you are listening. Now you are trying to speak. That much far you have come. You should rejoice. You should enjoy the achievement you have got. Why worry? Why being sad? Why comparing with others? Sometimes I wonder why people they do childish work. We have grown up, my friend, and now I think we should stop comparing with others. For good things we should somewhere, but if we are busy in doing something, we should not compare because it is our work. Just like I have started learning this language. If I compare with one perfect person, not perfect, even a good speaker, would it benefit me? No. I will be sad. I may not enjoy my journey. So in your case also, if you want to become a fluent speaker, stop comparing with others. Stop thinking about perfection. Just start talking. Talk to yourself, talk to your friend, talk to trees, talk to your room, walls, books. If you want to become a fluent speaker, just you should talk. Talking is not only enough. I mean, you should have the knowledge also. If you don't have vocabulary, how can you talk, right? So you should learn the thing which is needed for your perfection. I don't want to use the word perfection also, because I think it doesn't exist. No one is perfect in this world. That is why when I say perfect or perfection, little bit I hesitate to use that word, because it doesn't exist. Okay, the name is there only. So in our case also, why should we worry about perfection that much? You might be getting a lot of mistakes in my videos, because I just want to be authentic. I just want to show you that how I struggle. My friend, little bit I edit my video and I cut some mistakes part also. But you won't believe I make a lot of mistakes while recording my video. I'm not perfect at all. In your case also, whatever you do, either talking with someone or recording or anything, just don't think. There are a lot of people, they hide their mistakes, and they are showing they are perfect. So you will get afraid also if you see their perfection. Don't get afraid, because they have done a lot of hard work. Plus they may have cut that part where they made mistakes. So don't worry. Everyone is doing mistake. It is inevitable. It is in our life. We can learn by doing mistakes. So if you are doing mistake while talking, while writing, then it means that you are learning. You should be happy. Okay? See, when we do this farming work, we do mistake. We don't do this work with measurement that it should be perfect. Okay? So if it is needed measurement and all, I am not saying that don't measure where it is needed. If you are doing some engineering type of work over there, little bit measurement also matter. But coming to farming work, coming to learning things in the initial day, that much perfection doesn't need. Okay? So this is what, if you want to speak English language fluently like others, then just start talking. And I just made one mistake by saying like others. No, there is no need to compare with others. Just start your own journey. Just be yourself. Be authentic. Be unique. So this is what I'm enjoying the weather. My friend, I do a lot of mistakes because I'm learning. I'm not perfect. I make video so that it can aware people that okay, we should be okay with our mistakes. We should be okay the way we are learning the things and all. So this is the reason I don't show you the perfect things and all. I just speak simple way, but it doesn't mean that I don't want to learn things. I want to learn things. And for that reason, you won't believe I am very much consistent. I practice every single day. I talk to people, I read book, I listen, I record my video. It is also a kind of practice, right? In your case also, if you want to speak this language, just talk. Don't hesitate. If you make mistake, no problem. My friend, you won't believe I used to do a lot of mistakes. Many people, they used to correct me, and sometimes I would feel embarrassed. But we should be happy that we are at least getting trouble. Getting trouble means we are learning things, Our trouble is making us strong, I would say. See, if someone is not learning, they don't have any problem in their life, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.